Like this. What is this?
Oh, this is a great lane.
He wants to turn from the turning lane. He can't do it.
Sorry.
It's a joke. Oh, but Toys R Us is plowed out.
Of course. People need their toys.
Gotta make sure a kid can be a kid.
They don't... Toys R
Where's
Us
that
has-
Chuck E. Cheese?
Yeah, Toys R Us. It's got a parking lot that's clear. Cars are in it. Oh, well, you know. Our turning lane became inventive driving.
Oh look, you think you have 2 lanes? No! Down to 1.
You think your lane exists? Denied.
What's this? What's this? There's snow everywhere. What's this? What's this? The snow plows are not there. We're trying to find a place to sled, but we do not know. Everyone who's there had to shovel out the snow.